各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅係一單科技界嘅大新聞。日本電子零件巨頭 TDK 正式進軍智能眼鏡市場。點解呢單新聞咁重要？因為 TDK 唔係普通嘅公司，佢哋喺微型感應器同埋電子零件方面係世界級嘅專家。佢哋嘅加入意味住穿戴式裝置嘅技術將會有新突破，亦都會為成個市場帶嚟激烈嘅競爭。我哋一齊嚟睇下呢一個舉動對未來科技有咩影響。首先，我哋深入啲了解下 TDK 嘅計劃。TDK 其實一直都係好多大品牌背後嘅供應商，例如智能手機入邊嘅好多精密零件都係佢哋做嘅。今次佢哋唔再滿足於做幕後英雄，而係要推出自己品牌嘅智能眼鏡原型。呢副眼鏡嘅核心技術係將 TDK 最擅長嘅超小型感應器同埋零件結合埋人工智能 AI。佢哋嘅目標係創造出一副又輕又舒服，而且功能強大嘅智能眼鏡。想象一下，你戴住副眼鏡就可以即時睇到資訊、導航，甚至進行視像通話。當然，市場上已經有其他巨頭，好似 Meta 同埋 Apple 都喺度研發緊類似嘅產品。TDK 嘅優勢喺邊？佢哋可以控制到最核心嘅零件，例如微型投影儀同埋專門用嚟追蹤眼球活動嘅感應器。呢啲技術，例如眼球追蹤同埋影像投射，將會係決定用戶體驗嘅關鍵。對亞洲市場嚟講，呢一個消息尤其重要。TDK 係一間日本公司，佢哋嘅加入可能會改變目前由美國科技公司主導嘅局面，為亞洲嘅供應鏈同埋創新帶嚟新嘅機遇。市場預計到年底，好似 Amazon AWS、Microsoft Azure 呢一啲主要嘅雲端服務同 AI 供應商都會開始採用。當然 NVIDIA 唔係冇對手， AMD 同埋各大雲端供應商自己都喺度開發緊替代嘅 AI 硬件方案，競爭非常激烈。對於亞洲嘅科技生態圈嚟講，呢一種技術進步意味住更多創新嘅可能性，亦都要求企業要跟上呢個步伐。NVIDIA 嘅 CEO 黃仁勳喺演講中強調，算力嘅提升速度已經超越咗摩爾定律。而 Vera Rubin 平台正正係呢個趨勢嘅體現，佢唔單止係硬件嘅升級，更加係一個軟件同硬件結合嘅生態系統，目的係要降低運行大型語言模型嘅成本，令 AI 更加普及。呢個發佈亦都即時影響咗 NVIDIA 嘅股價同埋佢嘅競爭對手，例如 AMD 同 Intel 嘅市場策略。我哋今日除咗會學到關鍵詞彙，亦都會深入探討呢一啲技術發佈對商業世界嘅實際影響。好，了解完背景之後，就到我哋嘅重點環節詞彙學習。今日我哋會學5個同呢單新聞相關嘅實用商業科技英文詞彙。第一個字係 Smart Glasses。Smart Glasses 意思係智能眼鏡。呢一啲眼鏡唔單止可以矯正視力，仲內置咗電腦功能，可以顯示資訊、上網等等。例句 Many tech companies believe smart glasses will be the next major computing platform。第二個字係 Sensors。Sensors 即係感應器或者傳感器，佢係一種可以偵測環境變化，例如光線、聲音或者動作嘅電子零件。例句 The new device is packed with advanced sensors to monitor your health。第三個字係 Eye tracking software。Eye tracking software 就係眼球追蹤軟件。呢種軟件可以跟蹤使用者嘅視線，知道佢哋望緊邊度，從而實現用眼睛嚟操控界面。例句 The new virtual reality headset uses eye tracking software for more realistic interaction。第四個字係 image projection。Eye image projection 意思係影像投射。一般嚟講，影像投射係指將影像由一個地方投射到另一個表面上，好似戲院嘅投影機咁。喺 TDK 嘅智能眼鏡入邊，佢哋計劃用微型投影儀將數碼影像直接投射到使用者嘅視網膜上，令佢哋睇到一個清晰又唔會阻擋視線嘅虛擬畫面。例句 The quality of the image projection is crucial for an immersive augmented reality experience。第五個字係 direct competition。Direct competition 即係直接競爭，意思係指兩間或以上嘅公司喺同一個市場提供非常相似嘅產品或服務，爭取同一班客戶。例句 With their new product, the company is now in direct competition with the industry leader。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。
Hey, Minnie. Did you see that article about TDK getting into the smart glasses market?
Oh, yeah, the component manufacturer? That's an interesting move. I thought they just made parts for other companies.
Exactly. But it seems they're leveraging their expertise in miniature sensors to build their own prototype.
That makes sense. If anyone can pack powerful tech into a small frame, it's them. I read they're focusing heavily on the user interface.
The article mentioned they've developed some very advanced eye tracking software. Imagine controlling everything just by looking at it.
Right, that would be a game changer. The success of these smart glasses will really depend on how seamless that interaction feels.
Totally. And also, on the quality of the visual display. The clarity of the image projection has to be perfect. Otherwise, it's just a gimmick.
No doubt. This move puts them in direct competition with the big players like Meta and supposedly Apple.
It's a bold strategy. It's one thing to make the best components, but another to build a whole consumer product and ecosystem. I'm really curious to see how it plays out.
Me too. It could really shake up the wearables market. 好，我哋快速重溫今日學嘅5個詞：smart glasses、sensors、eye tracking software、image projection and direct competition。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。